In this video, I am pretty sure that you will know something good after watching and you may apply it. Welcome to my channel. Hello everyone, this is Cherry MD. Welcome back to my channel. If you are new to this channel, don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell so that you will notify in my next uploads. Let's get straight to the video. How to convert Facebook profile into professional mode. What is Facebook professional mode? With professional mode, creators can become eligible 1. To earn money through stars. 2. Ads on Facebook Reels. 3. In-stream ads. And 4. Reels in Play. They will also have access to content and audience analytics, educational resources and many more. In other words, your Facebook profile converted into Facebook page. If you would like to build a public presence to represent your personal brand using Facebook profile, where you connect with friends and family, professional mode is the way to go, Facebook wrote in a blog post. So now let's start to the tutorial. How to set up professional mode on Facebook. Setting up professional mode is pretty simple. Start off by heading to your Facebook profile. First, just go to your Facebook app and log in your Facebook account. Then tap your profile tab and click the 3 dots next to your edit profile. This is the menu for your profile. And then you'll be faced with a bunch of profile setting options below. Memorialization settings. But above create another profile, you'll see turn on professional mode, and then click it. After clicking this, will be pop up, and then click confirm by tapping turn on. And that is the steps on how to convert your Facebook profile into professional mode, and now start earning money by posting your videos and personal brand. Thank you for watching. Subscribe for more videos.